today we're looking at photos of Sophie before she started all the health and fitness stuff. We're all very proud of her and stuff.
I don't want to be in this video.
Jane's laughing at me. Well, that's the problem.
Jane's laughing at me being fat.
She's not. She's laughing and pointing at me. So maybe she's laughing at me being fat, if that's her thing. But now I have to be in all the videos because nobody else wants to be in the videos. So I have to just be in the videos telling you what's going on around me. Like, for example, Jane is sitting there with a brand new haircut. Let's have a look at Jane's new haircut. Can we?
Hi. See any pink? Pink in there.
Okay. There he is. Andy and I just went up to a house which we're going to do a new red door refurb on, and just have a look at this. Right. Oh.
Got some cutouts for the vlog. So, right, I'm trying to keep. So, oh shit! There's another one out there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one there. Look. It's fair to say, Jack, it reeks down here. There's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I was getting that.
4. Just cat mess everywhere. I can't even put in words how bad it is down here. And this.
It's also like a sauna, which is just helping the smell reaching your nasal passages even quicker, even more effective.
Cat mess. I mean, Jack, you have to work in this environment. This is, and it's all for viewing pleasure. So, oh, fucking shit. Oh, right. There's a light. Look at that. Bit of a light there. I think I might need rewiring. So yeah, as I was mentioning, I mean this, oh God, the fact that I'm even standing in here and still alive surprised me. I mean, the socket's down here, everything. It's plugged in, there's a lamp. I mean, just have a look in here, Jack. Come in. Come on.
I thought, yeah,
Come in, Jack. It's ready for two.
What?
I mean, this is a live, working, living environment. So people are living in here. This is what they're showering in. This is where they brush their teeth. In this, I don't know whether to get started on this, Jack. Shall I start on this and give it a quick spruce round, or?
Don't mind if we don't. I've sort of got a lot of editing to do.
We might need a second bottle.
To get going.
And we probably need a second bottle. And again, in here, Jack, you'll see the toilet, which the doors come off.
I love a curtain.
But there's a curtain. So again, it's probably not going to be reusable.